Hello guys, it's very professional train spotter here. Today at Marston Green on the West Coast main line, where we should see plenty of services from Avanti West Coast, Cross Country, London Northwestern Railway, Transport for Wales and West Midlands Railway. In there, after Transport for Wales, I actually wanted to say Virgin Trains, but sadly they're dead. Yeah, along with the trains, obviously we will see planes coming into Birmingham Airport. They'll be landing from this direction. We'll see them, obviously, yeah, landing, yeah, whatever. Whilst I was getting myself set up, 35405 brought me in from Birmingham New Street, and as obviously when I was getting myself set up. 350-110 and 354-03 departed, well, arrived and departed, working a service to London Euston from, I'm guessing, Birmingham New Street, and a dual pairing across country Voyagers. I think it was a Voyager and Super, passed through with a service bound from Manchester Piccadilly. So yeah, that's you all up to date as to what has happened since I stepped off 35405. So yeah, let's see what is going to arrive, depart, pass by and land here at Marston Green. Okay, so now approaching is the 1547. London West Midlands Railway Service is working a West Midlands Railway Service. West Midlands Railway Service from Birmingham International to Birmingham New Street, 1547 service, worked by a 350. What else? And no, wait for it to stop. This is 350, 405, 406, 405 on his return. And I'll turn around as we have a Transport for Wales Class 158 approaching with a service from Chester to Birmingham International. One 827 and 826. I'm pretty sure it was 826, wasn't it? Yeah. I should have just, yeah. 427 on the front, 826 on the rear. And yeah, it looks like 35405 is also getting into the park now with a 1547. West Midlands Railway Service to Birmingham New Street. Oh yeah, I planned my journey alright, yeah. Running around Birmingham New Street trying to make sure, yeah. Was that 158 stopped at a signal or something? So I can still see him. Okay, so now approaching is going to be the 1552 West Midlands Railway Service. He's working the service for West Midlands Railway. I know, London Northwestern train, but West Midlands Railway. Yeah, she even said it. He's working the 1552 service from New Street to International. Yeah, get off the track if I was you, Magpie. Get off the track? Are you blind or something? I mean, fair enough. Bird's eyesight isn't that good, but my God. 35107. Okay, so the next train to pass by is going to be 2 Avanti West Coast class 2-1 Super Voyagers from Birmingham and New Street to London Euston. I did actually look at the number on real-time trains, but I've kind of forgotten them, haven't I? Because very unprofessional train spotting. I think it was 110 and 105, but I'm just going to take a sneaky peek. Yeah, whilst I was waiting for him to come by, there was, I don't know, explosives being thrown. Because I had a little gander on Flight Radar, and it looks like there's a Ryanair that should be coming in shortly from Faro. That was 2-1 107 and 106. Those two, so yeah. What one? Yeah, 107, 106. Yeah. Very good. Okay, we got something coming in. Go back into focus screen. Oi! Back into focus. What's this? I don't care. That's 39153. Ooh, Aria. Is it? Very nice. Flight Radar never picked that up though. Yeah, obviously about to pass by now. Get back into focus screen, thank you. So 39153 from London Euston to Edinburgh. Hello. Thank you. I wonder if that was a two-tone because I'm a train spotter filming, or is it because of, you know, something to do with yellow lines? And I'm going to carry on going, there's something else coming. Pretty sure, no, it's London Northwestern 350, okay, it's not what I thought it was. When he's gone, I am going to take a look and see where he's going. Two 350s. 375 and 251. Righty ho. Okay. I'm pretty sure that plane we did see. I am pretty sure that's an RAF, isn't it? That is RAF. Not the train, obviously, the plane. I mean, I've already said the plane, but, you know, just in case, you know. I think I have had thickos watching these videos plenty of time. That was to Northampton, okay. Now, I'm going to have a look. Let you view this. What's that? Air Atlantique. That's why it was. Air Atlantique. Okay. That's very good. Don't know why I'm filming that, but yeah. Like grass, but you know. Okay, so next up is going to be the return of 158, 826 and 827. I'm pretty sure it is 826. That's going to be leading it this time. It's working a service from Birmingham International to Shrewsbury. It can be 836. I was considering it being 836, but then I just remembered when I was leaving Birmingham in New Street, I saw him going into New Street with a service to Holyhead, so I doubt he's something else coming as well. I'm pretty sure the destination board on platform 1 is giving us information about another train that's coming as well. I'm pretty sure I have an idea when it might be. I'm pretty sure it's a cross-country service from Manchester to Bournemouth. I don't know. Might be a bit too early. Yeah, whilst I was waiting for him, there was obviously I didn't see them, but I heard them taking off. First, it was a pardon me. Sorry. First, it was a Loganair to Inverness. Second, it was an Air Hamburg, but it was non-applicable. Yeah. Just so you wanted to know. But another bit of information as well. That Ryanair from Faro is getting pretty close to dear old Brum, so it might not be too long until we see him making an appearance. Yeah, the Manchester to Bournemouth cross-country service is now approaching. Again, I looked at the number for the train in real-time trains, and I go and forget the number. I'm going to do my best on this. I'm actually going to try to get the numbers on cross-country services going at high speed. I know, mad. No and no, so that means only one thing. Real-time trains. Help me. Load up the goddamn app. Well, it's a website, really. Right. Manchester to Bournemouth. It's being worked by 2:20:011 and 1:20, and it looks like it's in that order. Where is the Ryanair? He's flying round now. He is flying round now. Yep. He's somewhere where the camera is pointing. So I'm guessing the next mode of transport you're going to see will be that Ryanair. He's going to be somewhere behind those trees, but obviously you can't see him. Okay, the Ryanair's approaching. There's a Pandalino approaching. From London to I forget where he's going. The Ryanair's coming. Ryanair from Faro. First of all, I filmed the Pandalino. I didn't see the number on Ryanair. There he is. There he is. And now it's time to see A, where the Pandalino is going, B, who was actually running it. There we go, he's landed. Safe and sound, unless if he's just going to blow up right now, which I very much doubt. Yep, he's landed. Well done, Flight Radar, if I managed to load him up. Well, Flight Radar, yeah, you get what I mean. And if real-time trains feels like London to Birmingham was the Pandalino. Oh, okay. 391.07. Excellent. As soon as I pressed pause, she announced this Pandalino 391.55 from Preston to London. Obviously not the Pride train. He had a name tag, but I didn't see it. And anyone with working brain would stand behind the yellow line. Okay, so now coming in is the 1620 West Midlands Railway service from Birmingham International to New Street with 35107 on their return. Recognise me, driver? Okay, he's now getting ready to depart. I believe we got away from the drive there as well. Okay, so now approaching is the I was about to swear there. 35125 is leading in the service to London Euston. He's working the 1622 to London. 35103 is on the rear. I just got my hopes up for a little bit there. I was looking on real-time trains and I seen a freight train being pathted from Long Marston to Northampton EMD, path to come through 1640. Is he running? Yeah, you have a little guess of the answer there. Right now, just answer in the comments. If you get it right, you get to subscribe to the channel if you're not already. And get me to 100. Okay, he's now getting ready to depart. I'm innocent. I'm innocent. I'm innocent. Yes, I did assault someone. Yeah, oh, I said that out loud. Okay, so now approaching is the 1532 West Midlands Railway service from Birmingham New Street to Birmingham International. Worked by 1350, as if it would be worked by anything else, you know, because I was expecting a HST, to be honest, or a 37, or a 74. I was expecting the bullet, to be honest, but you know, 35266. I've been looking all around flight radar. There's absolutely nothing pathed. Well, I say pathed. I usually use that for the trains, but I'm going to use it. There's absolutely nothing coming into Birmingham now. So it looks like that Ryanair and the Air Atlantique is going to be the only thing you're going to have seen in this video. Sorry for the bad news, but you know, sorry to you plane spotters out there, plane enthusiasts. But you know, it's not my fault. This plane has now just caught me off guard. What are you? What's this? KLM. Oh, that's nice to see. And beep beep beep. No sign of him. Okay, so now approaching is the 1533 London Northwestern Railway service from Northampton to Birmingham New Street. That's not what I want to be in. I want to go into flight radar because I want to know what that KLM was doing. As soon as I said that there was going to be no planes, he turns up. KLM from Amsterdam, operated by KLM City Hopper. That was in Sky Team livery, and I must say it was actually pretty nice. 35129 is leading this in, and I'll get the rear when he departs. Yeah. I must say though, that Sky Team livery on the on that KLM is absolutely lovely. You know, the tail looks really nice. I've actually put detail in. Well, I suppose it's just a plane, really. Not all of it's going to be livery, but the tail, perfect. And the detail I had on the back, I don't know if you've seen it. Gorgeous. Okay, it looks like 129 is now about to lead the way. The 1533 London Northwestern Railway service from Northampton to Birmingham New Street. I have to think about that one. Wait, what? Hang on. It's a stunt double train. Oh, I missed that. 352, 352, 352. 253 on the rear. Still says he's going to Northampton, but yeah, you know. And oh, you know, it's another plane. I need to see more planes than we did at International, that's one thing. Okay, now about to pass by is going to be two cross-country Voyagers / Super Voyagers, Voyager and Super Voyager, whatever. Bournemouth to Manchester, I think. Right then, now I'm going to see the numbers on real-time trains, because if you did you really think I was going to try? The smoke off that. Is that smoke or dust? Probably dust from the smoke. Or smoke from the dust. Or dust from the dust, smoke from the smoke. You know, it could be anything. Yeah, Bournemouth to Manchester, 9 carriages, which means Voyager and Super Voyager. 220-002, 220-002, and 22119. Yeah, no, I don't want to see my browsing history. Don't worry, there's nothing bad in there, but I just don't want to see it. Go away. Get in the pocket and pull. Okay, our next train to pass by is going to be a Transport for Wales 158 from Shrewsbury to Birmingham International. Did you have to when I'm recording? Did you have to? This is going out on YouTube and well, 158821 and 832, and I will carry on recording as serious. Out of all the times you could have done it.
The baby won't come out and
Hopefully not. Okay, what's this? 350. 1647 International to Birmingham New Street. 350. I know his number. It's 350. It's a 352, isn't it? Oh, I know it. I know the number. I know the number. No, I don't. 266, that's it. Yeah, 35266 on his return. Okay, he is now getting ready to depart. Close your door. Thank you.
next train home, okay?
Okay, whatever you say.
Huh?
Whatever you say.
Yeah.
Okay, there's another plane coming in now. I don't have a clue what it is. Oh, no. It might be a Turkish one, actually. It's Turkish Airlines from Istanbul. But someone else, I don't have a clue. Good for you. Lufthansa, this will be from Frankfurt.
Oh, very nice too.
Yes. Okay, so now coming in, this is 1652. West Midlands Railway service from Birmingham New Street to Birmingham International. Works by another 350. What else? It might be one of the same ones that we've already seen, but yeah. 350 107 on his return. It feels like the weather is about to take a turn for the worst.
For the worst, yeah.
Yeah. And the train we're getting is the 1712, isn't
My
it?
feet are taking a turn for the
And
worst.
we're getting the 1712 as well.
Oh, God.
Okay, here is 39107 on his return from Birmingham to London.
Rain.
And our final train of the video is going to be 39127 from London to Glasgow. I'll stand back because I don't want to be getting the horn for the wrong reasons. And as they both continue, I will leave it there. Thanks for watching, guys. I do appreciate all the views. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Leave a comment, and if you dislike, please tell me why and how I can improve. I almost fell over somehow. Yeah, I've really enjoyed myself here at Marston Green today. Yeah, the weather could have been a little bit better. It was okay when this started, but that is the main reason why I'm stopping. Plus the fact I'm approaching my filming limit for this video. Yeah, it's been very nice here. Obviously, yeah, I'd have liked a few more planes. I think the amount of planes I got wasn't too bad. You know, the Air Atlantique at the start, then obviously the Ryanair, the KLM, and the SkyTeam livery, and then obviously that Lufthansa at the end was very nice. There was a police helicopter that was flying over us, but I didn't bother filming that, to be honest. Yeah, and obviously the trains here as well. You know, I got a good bit of everything. You know, 350s, Pandalinos, Avanti Voyagers, cross country Voyagers, 158s. You know, I couldn't have asked for any more, to be honest. Yes, I'd have liked a bit of freight, but Marston Green isn't the busiest station for freight. But if you are a train enthusiast in general and just couldn't care less what you see, then I would recommend coming down to Marston Green as well. And if you're a train enthusiast and plane enthusiast, then yeah, I recommend, if you're one of those people who would film trains but is also a massive fan of planes, then yeah, come to Marston Green. And you know what, you won't regret it. You will not regret coming to Marston Green. Yes, you could say Birmingham International will be a better station, really, a bigger station and all that. Trains stop there, blah blah blah. But you know, it's much better here. It's nicer. Countryside, quiet station. You know, standing where I am, nobody really comes up here to disturb you. So yeah, very nice. My next station then is going to be, I'm going to go to one with platforms, trains and a railway track, because I actually don't have a clue where. I will go to... I think I have said Nuneaton a few times. I don't know. Might not do Nuneaton. I could just quite easily do Birmingham New Street, to be honest. Lichfield Trent Valley. Lichfield Trent Valley will be my next station. So yeah, until Lichfield Trent Valley, I will see you all later. Bye bye. Take care.